To ensure that you have the correct ProjectWise configurations installed, navigate to the Software Center. You can select the search button next to your Start and type in Software Center. Select the Software Center app, and you'll see all the packages available to you. Go ahead and select the ProjectWise Bentley 10.00.03.262 package and install. Once that's installed, you may launch ProjectWise. Before we log in to the new CDOT Active Projects on the hosted data source in the cloud, we're going to select Tools and choose the Wizard Manager. We're going to ensure that our Advanced Wizard is set as the default. We're also going to open the Properties page for the Advanced Document Creation Wizard. And under your general options, you want to make sure that the first 4 boxes are checked. And then again, under the Wizard pages, we're going to check the first 3 boxes that we see here. We're going to say OK and close. And now you are ready to work in the cloud data source with the new document naming convention.